Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a digital signature into Google Sheets or Google Documents. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to neatly and securely add your own digital signature to any document or spreadsheet, no extra software needed. This is especially useful if you need to provide official approval, sign off on a project, or just give your documents a more professional touch. So let's get right into it. First, before we even open up Google Sheets or Google Docs, it's important that you have your digital signature ready to go as a PNG file. The PNG format is ideal here because it supports transparent backgrounds, which makes your signature look much more natural, as if you'd signed right on the document. If your signature is still in another format, like JPG, don't worry, you can quickly use an online converter to turn it into a PNG. Just search for JPG to PNG converter and you'll find plenty of free options. This step is crucial because a PNG with a transparent background blends seamlessly onto what you're signing, rather than sitting inside a white box. Once you've got your signature saved as a PNG, go ahead and open the Google Sheet or document that you'd like to sign. Now, click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find all the options for adding different elements into your document. Next, you'll want to select Image. Here, you're given a couple of choices about how you want to bring the image into your document. If you're in Google Sheets, you'll see two options: Insert Image in Cell and Insert Image over Cells. If you only want your signature inside a specific cell, maybe you have a dedicated signature box in your spreadsheet, then choose Insert Image in Cell. But for most situations, and certainly if you want a little more flexibility to move your signature exactly where you want it, I recommend picking Insert Image over Cells. The same principle applies in Google Docs. When you insert an image, you can choose to have it inline or to move it around freely. In my experience, inserting the image over the cell in Google Sheets makes things much simpler. It lets you adjust the size, move the signature to a precise spot, and even layer it slightly over several cells if that's what you need. And if you ever need to update or replace the signature, you can easily delete it and pop in a new image with no stress. After you've chosen your preferred insert option, you'll be prompted to upload your signature file. Select your PNG from your device and give it a moment to appear in your document. Usually Google processes images pretty fast, but if it takes a moment, don't worry, that's totally normal. Once it's there, you can resize it by dragging the corners or click and drag to move it exactly where you want on the page or sheet. Adjust it until it looks just right. Imagine you're physically signing a paper document and placing your name in that perfect spot. And that's really all there is to it. Once your digital signature is in place, your document is ready to be shared, saved, or printed, complete with your personal approval. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or tricky scenarios. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials just like this. See you in the next one.